Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tag On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to find recently unfollowed Instagram accounts. Friends, if you have any Instagram account, sometimes you need to unfollow someone from your Instagram account. And later on, if you want, you can see how many people you have unfollowed from your Instagram account. Friends, to see or to find out that list, you have to go on your Instagram. After that, you have to tap on the profile picture. Then you have to tap on the menu at the top right corner. Then simply you have to tap on account center. After that, you have to tap on your information and permissions. Then tap on download your informations. Tap on download or transfer informations. Simply you have to select the second one, some of your information, right? Then my friends, you have to go down and you have to go on the connections. You'll find the connection like that and tap on select all, then tap on next. And if you want to download this information in this device, you can select the first one. Otherwise, if you want to transfer to someone, somewhere, on the time, you can select the second one, transfer to destination, right? Then tap on next. You can select the date range from here, which date to which year you want. After that, you have to tap on save. Then simply you have to tap on create files. After click on create files, you will see like this, my friends, in progress, right? When it will be completed to progress, it will show like that, download or delete. Before I have applied, my friends, that's why it was shown like that. So it will take time to complete. So I'll download this one to show, but it will show same like this, my friends, after a few hours. Just tap on download and it is downloading, right? You have to wait a few seconds. Just tap on here to extract because this is zip file. Just tap on extract again. Again, you have to tap on extract here. Then tap on connections. Tap on followers and following. And tap on removed suggestions. And you will find the list how many people or how many persons you have unfollowed from your Instagram account. Right? Same like this, my friends. You can follow the steps. So friends, like this, if you want, you can find out recently unfollowed accounts from your Instagram account, right? To make these settings, if you have any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.